Videoception.
Damn.
There's no specific rules about this in the rule book.
I guess not.
I'm in the road.
Hello. Buddy.
Hello.
Today is the very last day for our Pattullo Bridge to close down for good. It was built in 1937, and we're going to be walking across it. So without further ado, let's go on an adventure across a bridge that's closing down tomorrow. Cheers. So this bridge is definitely, I would argue, not very friendly to pedestrians, but today, in particular, today is very friendly to pedestrians, because take a look. It's a bit of a party up here. We get to watch a train go by underneath.
Yeah. Oh,
yeah.
That starts over the newest bridge.
This is definitely a view you wouldn't be able to see if there was cars going over it. One day we'll all be able to look back and remember this bridge. Today is also Family Day, so there's also quite a high number of people here because it is a statutory holiday here in BC. So over there, that is the SkyTrain Bridge, and that was built back in the 1980s, I think it was. Very important link for public transit users into Surrey from Westminster and Burnaby and Vancouver. And of course, below us there is the Fraser River, also very, very chilly. This was one of those bridges that was built at a time when you could theoretically live between when it was open and when it was now closed. Be very old, 1937, but is when it was open. But yeah, still watch the birth and death of this bridge. It's going to take 2 years of deconstruction to get this bridge away, and I'm hoping that all of this metal that you see here is going to be recycled, because it's a lot of metal, a lot of steel.
A lot of steel.
Yeah, it's a bit of a different episode this week, but I just thought it would be kind of interesting to show this moment in history. A lot of people with vlogging cameras over there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, right a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, graffiti everywhere.
Yeah, there's a lot of graffiti on this bridge.
I do not understand the human urge. It's not all humans, but I do not understand the urge to write on a wall or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you dropped your glove.
There aren't vehicles on this bridge. I don't know why, but I think it's probably just security vehicles.
Probably.
Yeah. Good. Getting their people are getting their photos in.
That's not recommended. Don't stand up on things.
I kind of want to though. I kind of want to do what they just did, standing on that. But look at that. It's just chalk. 2026. Rest in peace, Patullo. Yeah.
There's a lineup to do
the
that.
lineup to do that. Wow. Okay. Look at this lineup. Do that. Look, stand on that.
I think it's a lineup to stand up watching that guy. How badly do you want to stand up?
I think it's a little silly. So folks, I guess I should point out that the bridge next to us here, that's called the Stal Bridge. That is the replacement for the old Pattullo Bridge that we're standing on here. And I would argue, I drove over it actually last night, actually to and from Hope. And it was a nice bridge. I thought that bridge is way more, just feels safer than this. It's a very narrow bridge. Well, I guess speed limits were just a bit lower.
Cars were smaller.
Cars are smaller.
There
were fewer cars.
Just not designed for the traffic flow and tonnage we
Yeah.
have now.
Yeah, so yeah, this bridge definitely felt a little bit sketchier, I would argue. Also, people did very clearly disobey the speed limit along here. I remember very well driving 50 and somebody was going past me at like 80 kilometers an hour. I thought it was ridiculous. But anyway. So, I don't know what ferry that is, but there's a derelict BC ferry right there. And I guess they're, speaking of deconstruction, they're probably deconstructing that one too. There's also a train going over the train bridge. This train bridge is very important. If this train bridge shuts down, a lot of Canada's economy actually shuts down because it's a major throughway. It goes all the way. You can either go to the United States via that way, or you can go straight to some spur line in Surrey. I'm not exactly sure where it goes, but where this train is going, that is likely going into the interior of BC. Just about to land into Surrey right now. Just over there is Scott Road Station, and King George Boulevard kind of wraps up and around to the main heart of Surrey Central, I guess it's called. Bit of a nippy day here on February 16th. February 16th. I walk corrected.
Windy.
Very windy.
Windy on the bridge.
Yeah.
The end.
Yep. So on the new Stal Bridge, I just noticed actually that so they're building another exit, and this bridge kind of interferes with their construction. So I guess they're going to have to demolish this side first to make space so they can finish this up. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, look at this. This is yeah, so the bridge isn't fully, like the new bridge isn't fully finished yet, as you can see. But yeah, exhibit A, exhibit B. Yeah, so they're gonna probably have to get rid of this section first, because they can't, like this is gonna interfere with that. They're gonna have to get rid of this.
We have to get rid of all
Yeah. But weirdly enough, that looks higher than
I'm
this.
sure it'll work.
Anyway, we trust the
engineer
engineers.
people are smart.
The engineer people are really smart.
Yeah. Anyways, so you gotta get.
Cool. Under the caution tape we go.
Not that that really matters anymore.
No. Someone's putting on the brakes. There's a crane over there.
No.
Putting on brakes. Well, would you look at that? We're basically in Surrey right now.
Oh, we are.
Wow.
We're over Surrey land.
We are now south of the Fraser. First time I've ever walked from Westminster to Surrey. I have walked to Surrey before, but from Coquitlam. So, anyway. And here we are. All right, officially off the bridge. And touching ground in North Surrey.
All the way to the barricades.
Is that?
I'm going all the way to the barricade.
Yeah.
Like the very corner, it's like as far as you can go.
Yeah, we had to make it official. We had to walk all the way to the barricades. And then I guess
The corner of
ultimately
the barricades.
walk all the way back too.
Well, that's where we parked. We have to get back there eventually.
We parked in Westminster. And this is obviously traffic coming from the Stal Bridge. buddy.
Hello.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate the interaction. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just getting loved out all over.
Well, of course. Would you like some attention too?
Yeah.
Would you like some attention too?
15?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. Hey, buddy. Hello.
Puppy already.
Well, they're all still
Hey.
Yeah, the older the dog, the more you call it puppy, the better it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't know their own strength yet. No, we don't need bulls.
It's just not baby teeth.
Yeah, they're just sharp little things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sharp little things.
Kids doing their like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we're watching horses go across Pattullo Bridge now.
Videoception.
Damn.
There's no specific rules about this in the rule
Yeah,
book.
I guess not. Cool. There was somebody that said, "Watch out for the horses," and I said, I kind of thought it was a joke, and I turned around, they're actual horses.
The bridge is open to foot traffic.
Yes, it's true. It is open to hoof traffic.
It's foot traffic.
Wow. Okay. That's very cool. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. May I say hello? Yes. Very good.
Theory is that the day that it
Yeah.
opened, there's horses
Hey,
on the
buddy.
bridge the day the bridge opened.
Hey, buddy.
The day the bridge
So we're
closed.
adding it with the day
Yeah.
that it closes. Well, tomorrow theoretically closes.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Very good.
Because I read
Oh.
a few things.
I don't know if I've ever pet a horse before, to be honest. Yeah, I missed on the horse. Huh.
Yeah, her mama lived till she was 32.
Hello.
Yeah.
She's totally good, but just watch yourself. She should swing.
Let some other.
Very cool. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
the whole crowd is just moving in.
I don't know if the camera picked that up or if you heard, but there were horses on the bridge the day it opened, and so they're coming out here themselves.
Cool.
Even though technically it closes tomorrow, but there's still going to be a horses walk across the bridge
Neat.
as we close.
Neat.
Okay, well,
Now we
What a
finally captured
surprise.
that. That was great. I like the hats too.
oh, of course.
Very
What do you
kinda-
wear on a horse if
yeah,
not
very Albertan.
not that?
Well, folks, that concludes another episode of Explore with Geese 94 here on YouTube. I want to thank you all so much for watching another episode. This is a really historical moment for us in the lower mainland of British Columbia. Our old Pattullo Bridge is closing down, but it makes way to the new Stal Bridge that connects New Westminster to Surrey, British Columbia. So if you like what you saw, do hit that subscribe button because there are more episodes to come every Saturday at 5 a.m. So until next time, happy adventuring and happy exploring.